Hey, good evening traders, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at Datadog. Ticker symbol is DDOG, and I want to show you how I'm seeing the charts and what's kind of going on and where I think it's going from here. So this is going to be a relatively quick technical analysis, so let's dive right in. So on July 2nd, you may or may not know that Datadog was introduced to the S&P 500. So naturally, it gapped up, right? Gapped up pretty strong. And you can see we went to a high of about 156.58, closed at about 154.90, and then the next day we went up higher, wicked higher, and then we sold and closed about 152. Then the following day, this was interesting. This is an interesting candle here because you have a big red, what appears to be a big red sell candle, but if you really look at this, it's a doji, and the close is in the upper 25-30% of the candle. So you had more buying essentially than you did selling because of where we closed. So you got bought up but it closed slightly red. So it appears as if it's a sell candle, but it's really an accumulation. So keep that in mind, right? So you had really good accumulation over where we are today. Okay, then you had a couple follow-through days to the downside, came down and nearly closed this gap here on this breakout gap up. And what I really like is it held this 20-day moving average. And if you could see on this band, this is the 920 band, essentially 9 moving average, 20 moving average. You can see we've held it really well, the 20. So I love that. Then we had follow through. Then we had a consolidation day. Then yesterday we had a nice candle. And then today we had a great candle because we closed above yesterday's high. And we closed right on the point of control, right on this visible range. So a lot of bullish signals here. And RSI is curling up. We have plenty of room to run. Stochastics are curling up. There's a lot to like about this chart. So I like it. I got into it today on a swing basis. Again, when I do my swings, I do 90-day contracts as well as 1% of portfolio size as an entry. So I like it to go higher from here. But bear in mind, we did not get down to the 0.382 fib. We just got through the 236 and 25, but again, the 382 fib at 128.55 is still somewhere we can go. So it could do something like this. It could go A, B, C down, so A, B, C, and we could get a correction all the way down there. So just keep in mind that's entirely possible. Again, this is a swing trade for me, so I'm fully prepared to dollar cost average if we get to that 382. I like the chart. I like this impulsive move. I like the fact that they're now in the S&P 500. So this is going to have to start getting bought up by funds because it's now part of the S&P. So I love all of that. So I don't actually think it's going to get down here. I think it's going to just kind of go from here and retarget these all-time highs at about 170. So that's what I like on that's the Datadog chart. I think a lot of things to like about it, guys. If you like the analysis today, please do me a favor, hit that like button. Comment below what your thoughts on Datadog. Are you already in it? Are you going to get into it? And do you agree with the technical analysis? And as always, no financial advice given, always for educational purposes. And I do this to share with you how I view the charts, how I enter my positions, and kind of what I'm doing with my own personal trading and investment strategy. So there you have it, guys. That's Datadog. I like to go higher, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Cheers, guys.